What is up, everybody? My name is Koto and it's another vlog. We are still in the same day and we're still working on the car. Last time we finished the front. I showed you the front splitter and the front wheels. Now we made the changes in the back. We put the rear wheels on. We lowered the back as well, and now we're actually working on the side skirts. The back was way easier to actually lower than the front, but it looks fine. I am rubbing. I'm just gonna say that. In the front, I'm actually rubbing, so that's not perfect, but I'm gonna try and fix it somehow, somewhere. Not today or tomorrow. Maybe when I get back from vacation. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the everything. So the front, guys, the car looks fucking amazing. Okay. Like, dude, are you fucking kidding me? Look at that. So now this is the fitment in the front. Looks pretty dope. We're cool. We're cool. We're vibing. We're vibing. Front looks good. We're pretty low though. I actually came way lower than I was thinking I would get. but it's crazy. I'm way lower than I was expecting to get low. I might have problems with being that low. And this is the back. So the back, as I showed you in the previous video, the back is way more in. So we're not sticking out as much as I was that I thought I will. But yeah, this is the back, and this is how low we are. Pretty good. It's kind of the same front and back. You see, it's almost the same. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see how this is gonna come out. Yeah, this is how we look right now. This is the first look at the car. Guys, this is so fucking good, dude. I think that the front splitter actually makes a huge difference to the look. It makes a big difference to the look. Look at that. That's great. That's actually fucking good. But yeah, this is how far we came. We're working currently on the side skirts, finishing one of the side skirts right now, and then the other one is being actually like placed on the car right now. This is how side skirts are on top. The side skirts do make a difference a lot from the look. But yeah, I'm gonna be working. Let me finish the side skirts first. I'm gonna do an overview when everything is done. I'm gonna show you the result with the skirts, with the wheels, with how it's lowered, and with the front splitter. I'm seeing the car coming all together, and it looks amazing. I'm really excited once everything is done. Once we put the car on the side, how it's gonna look.
Know that this won't last, not like it used to. And I'm okay with that, but not if I lose you. I can feel it in my bones, sinking deeper in the overflow. Can you feel it in your soul? If I'm honest, maybe we're better off alone. Better off alone. Maybe we're better off alone. Better off alone. Maybe we're better off